You got to be able to see your own lives within your mind's eye. And that vision is rooted in the goals that you have set. Because you think of the goals as being a staircase, each step being that short-range incremental goal leading to your long-range goal, which is the vision. But then, with itself. But then, your plan. What is your plan? Do you have a plan? Because if you don't have a plan of action, it's going to be that much more difficult for you to make it to where you're trying to get to. But if you've got your plan and it's written down, and you keep it with you in your possession at all times and follow it to the T, I can assure you that you're going to reach your goals. But here's the thing, and I said, if he know, he's going to bring it home. I want the young ladies to stand up.